When we left things yesterday, we had a list of rooms in state on the main component, and we had added a method to set the current room, passing in a room name and automatically updating state. By looking up the room name in the rooms object here. But we hadn't actually tied that to clicking these links yet. So we need to do that to get this first part of the homework done. That doesn't sound so bad. We've already got the method that does it, set current room, so we need to pass that down to wherever these links are. So we're in main. Those are somewhere in the sidebar. So pass in set current room. What do I put inside the braces here? This dot set current room, thank you. Yes, indeed. This dot set current room. It's a method right here on main. Let's have a look in sidebar. Okay, so that would be another prop in the list of props here that we are destructuring out of the props object. Set current room. So we'll need to pass that down to the room list. That's where these links are. So set current room equals just set current room. There's no this.props or anything like that because it's a stateless functional component and we destructured the props. Set current room equals set current room. Let's go down into room list then. Same deal. Stateless functional component, destructuring the props up here. So set current room. And room is where the actual links are now. So we'll pass another prop along here, set current room equals set current room. You're probably thinking to yourself, there's got to be a better way than passing props through a bunch of components that aren't even using them. The answer is there is, but we're not going to have time to get into it, but we will talk about it briefly on the last day. There are other ways to do this, but it does require some kind of advanced stuff. But passing components through props through components that aren't even using them does seem a little silly. So here we are down in room. We've got room name. Now we've also got set current room. And here's a link. Seems like we could put an on click on here. So this is a stateless functional component. Nevertheless, we could always put a function inside here. It wouldn't be a method, it would just be another function, but why not? Const handle click. Why not? It'll get an event. So we can put an on click here. On click equals handle click. It's not this dot handle click, right? It's not a method. This isn't a class. It's just a function that happens to be assigned to a local variable inside this other function. The function that is our entire component. I think there's a default action for links. Of course there is. It follows the link, right? It goes to the other page. So we could prevent default here. Seems like it wouldn't be a bad idea. So it won't follow the link. And then it should just call set current room. And set it to what? Well, did I put anything in parentheses there? Wake up. Do we? How's it going to know which room, right? Room name, yeah. Not a particularly tricky one. It has to be whatever room we clicked on, right? So set current room, remember, was a prop that was passed in. It was originally way up here in main, set current room. See if this does it. Nope, because it's just a prop that got destructured out of here. It is a prop. But we don't have this.props because we're not in a class, we're in a function. So nope, not this time. Let's see what happens. Hey, look at that. It's changing which room I'm in. It's even changing the description here. Cat gifts, etc. Ask questions and share code. Chat about stuff. I know I've got the text kind of small up here. But yeah, these links work now. All that's needed to change rooms is to change which room is here in state. And we'd already written the method that does it. We just needed to pass it down as a prop to the right place. We got it. Change rooms. One sec. Change rooms by clicking links in sidebar. Yeah. Does it say general every time? Yeah, that was a mistake from yesterday. We overlooked that. I overlooked that. Yeah, we should have changed that then. Message list. Failed to notice that the room name was in here twice. Yep. That should have said room name. So this is in message list. We had the room name here, but we also had the room name here. Yep, just missed that. There you go. Thank you. Update reference to room name in message list announcement. That's what I called that thing. Very good. Questions about how we switched rooms? Yep. So way down in room.js, handle click. I just prevent default so it doesn't go to whatever href is here. And then I just call set current room, passing in the room name.